Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery in your BMW 3 Series. So this is for the E90 model of the 3 Series. And this key fob was used from 2006 to 2012 in like the 316i, the 330i, the 328i, for example, of all the different models that used this key fob. Now, one thing you need to determine first is if you have a comfort access key for your 3 Series or non-comfort access. Comfort access means you can unlock the vehicle just by grabbing the handle. You can start the car sometimes with a push button versus having to physically insert a key. You don't have to press this unlock button. Like I said, you can just grab the handle. So to determine if you have a comfort access key or not, look at the back of your key and see if there's a square outline like this. If you have this, this means it's a comfort access key and it has a non-rechargeable replaceable battery that I'm going to show you how to replace now. It's really quite simple. If you have a non-comfort access key, it requires a bit more work to get access to the battery, and then it requires some soldering. So we'll do that in another video. But for the BMW the E90, if you have the comfort access, just depress the valet key here, pop that out, and this will give you access to a little slot right here that you can use to pop off this backing. So just get a small flathead screwdriver, or even a pair of nail clippers would work, and just kind of right in the middle here, there's a little slot. It gives you access to be able to leverage and kind of pry that back off. That'll pop right off and give you access to the replaceable CR2032 battery that you'll need for your 3 Series if you have a fob from this year range from 2006 2012. So just pop that off, put in a new one. It's a CR2032, and make sure the positive side is up. It should be facing you, and the positive side has the text on the back of it. And just pop this back on, snaps right in, valet key back in, and that's how you replace the battery on a 3 Series if you have a model, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2012. Oh, and 2011.